The car wash industry is fascinating because of how much it takes to make one of these facilities operate. The joke in the industry is it's just soap and water. That couldn't be further from the truth. What we do at Sonny's is make the process for building a car wash easy. And it is not. You can't learn this stuff in a classroom. There's no college courses for it. I didn't get a 2-year, a bachelor's, a master's, and then find my way into the career of car washing. I went to college for aviation maintenance, but I really didn't like the pressure that was involved with making those repairs. So I took a job at a local car wash, scrubbing cars, and now today I work for one of the most respected car wash companies in the world and make a fantastic living. So what I do on a daily basis is I interact with customers. We look at site plans, we look at different parcels all around the country. I love looking at the mechanical side of things and seeing how we're going to figure out how we can help them best fit their needs for a car wash on that site. Meeting my manufacturer reps when I was just an operator, they were traveling around the country, just expanding their horizons in a way that I'd really never experienced. And that's when I really thought, that's what I want to do. I want to see all these car washes. I used to do chemistry, now I'm in equipment, but chemistry sales is a great path because it gives you the opportunity to travel around different markets, see different washes in different climates, all sorts of different facilities. You are in the back room. You are the boots on the ground. You will learn more in a back room than in a classroom any day of the week. That backroom training and that exposure is worth everything. If you're passionate about this industry, work hard, learn as much as you can. You'll be surprised with the opportunities that present themselves. I'm excited for the future at Sonny's because the company is not even close to being done growing. There's opportunities in every facet of business. There's engineering, marketing, and new business development, advertising, and the industry is growing and evolving so quickly, there is so much opportunity. This is the most interesting industry you've never heard about. I didn't mean to be doing this for what's going on 14 years now. But I have no desire to ever leave the industry.